Hello everyone, it's Mr. Modern Financials here, and in this video I'm going to go over one simple way that you could earn $300 a day doing very little work. This is a great method for people who are beginners at making money online or even experts at making money online, because this way is just so easy. If you enjoy making money online, affiliate marketing, passive income, drop shipping, anything along those lines, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and now let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so I need you to do something. I need you to stay tuned until the end of the video because I don't want you to miss anything. If you're going to skip around and watch the video halfway through, you're not going to get all the details on how this works, so you need to stay tuned until the end of the video. That's the first step of making money online. So this is AWS Amazon Polly. AWS means Amazon Web Services, and Amazon Polly is basically a text-to-speech generator that uses deep learning algorithms to basically make a voice sound so real it's almost indistinguishable from an actual computer. So what it is you put in the text, right? In the Amazon Polly software will turn it into a voice file, an audio file, an MP3, right? And what this allows you to do is then use this as an asset, okay? So how does this work? Well, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have to go to Fiverr or voiceovers.com. Fiverr or voiceovers.com. I'm going to be using both of these websites, okay? Now, starting off with voiceovers.com, right, this is a calculator that I did, right? So I was pretending to be a business, and I said, all right, I want a voiceover of 2 minutes, approximately 320 words, so 2 minutes of work. $325 for the project. $325 for 2 minutes of voiceover work. It just shows how much these companies are willing to pay for good voiceover work. But the interesting thing about my method for this is you're not going to be doing the voiceover yourself because that's too difficult. That takes too much time. Instead, you're going to be using Amazon Polly, all right? So what's going to happen is you're going to actually get the job, right? You're going to use Amazon Polly and you're going to upload the file to them, okay? And what this is going to allow you to do is businesses are going to pay you big bucks just for having that voiceover work, but you have to use Amazon Polly because if not, the voiceover work may not be that good. If you're using a different software, if it sounds too robotic, it's not going to be worth any money. It might only be worth a couple dollars maybe, but basically what you're doing is you need to find the projects. And how do you find the projects? Well, you could use voiceovers.com, which is going to be the biggest paying one on here. But if you're looking for something quicker, there's also Fiverr, okay? And the benefit of using both of these is voiceover, you'll get better paying projects, but you'll get less of them. Fiverr, you'll get more projects, much more, but you're only going to make about $15 per project. And starting off, you might make a little bit less. And what you do on here is you're going to make an account. I have a link in the description to Fiverr. You're going to post. I'll do voiceovers, right? And you're going to watch, and you're going to have a good price that's competitive with the market, okay? And when that work comes in and they send you the text file, you just have to put it into Amazon Polly, and then you're all set. Pretty simple to get started. And for this website, guys, you could go to here, see, hire freelance voice actors, voiceover marketplace, okay? Post your project and listen to auditions for free. Work with professional voice actors in real time. Guys, they're not going to know the difference if you are a real person or Polly, just because Polly is so advanced and it's only getting better by the day. So over time, you might be able to make even more money as Polly becomes more realistic and more human-like, okay? You can see they've worked with Microsoft, Apple, Bill Melinda Gates, HBO, Disney. They have some top voiceover actors. How does this work? You post your voiceover project, okay? Tell us about your project and let the platform guide you through the rest. Voiceovers.com literally leads you to your voice step by step. Listen to auditions, okay? You will quickly receive professionally recorded auditions of your material from real voice actors. That's going to be you. You're going to be pretending to basically be a voice actor. And then the company is going to select the voice actor, all right? So very simple way to make money online. Just to go over it one more time for you, you're going to use Amazon Polly to create text-to-speech files, right? Basically voiceover work. You are then going to offer your voiceover work on voiceovers.com and on Fiverr, or one of the two, and then you're going to watch the money roll in. Guys, this is a very simple method. I don't want you to miss out on this. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and if you're going to sign up for Fiverr, use my link in the description, because if you do any purchases on Fiverr in the future, if you use my link, you get 20% off. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't tell too many people about this. I don't want this getting out there too much, because if like millions of people start doing this, it'll flood the market and prices will go down for you. So don't tell too many people about this. Kind of keep this one to yourself, and I will catch you next time. Hope you have a great day and make some money.